today in this video we can continue with the chapter that is aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Okay, it is one of the major chapter in organic chemistry. For let us start with some introduction to this organic compounds. Okay, that is aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Okay, there are several important carbonyl compounds are present in nature. First we need to identify the word what is meant by this carbonyl compounds. Okay, carbonyl compounds ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ carbon attaches to the oxygen with double bond. Okay, ಈ ತರ ನೇಚರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ these are known as carbonyl compounds. Okay, there are several such kind of the organic compounds. Okay, which very important compounds are these are aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Okay, aldehydes are having the functional group you already know, that is CHO. Okay, CHO means how to write down? It is C double bond O and one side alkyl substitution or ion substitution and another one side hydrogen substitution. Therefore, it is aldehyde functional group. And similarly, next one is ketone functional group. This is you already know. That is a C double bond O directly. That means C double bond O. And in both the side, there is a substitution of the alkyl or aryl. You can make the changes here R and R dash. And these are known as the ketones. And the last one is the carboxylic acids. Okay, carboxylic acid means this is COOH. Okay, this is COOH. It is a C double bond O. And one side alkyl substitution or aryl substitution, and another one side it is the OH. Therefore, these are the few important compounds: aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids. Okay, and all these three groups important is you can observe the carbonyl groups here. Therefore, these are known as the carbonyl compounds, that is aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids. After studying the introduction part of this chapter, next we can continue to the point that is the importance of the aldehydes and ketones. Okay, this is the symbolic representation of the aldehydes and it is the ketones. And why you are going to be studying the only aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid in this chapter? Because of the reason the aldehydes and ketones are responsible for the flavoring agent as well as the smell compound in plants and animals. Okay, where these are having the particular flavoring nature as well as the smelling nature in plants and animals. Therefore, these are exclusively present in the plants and animals as a flavoring agent. Okay, you already know some of the flavoring agents like vanilla. Okay, you already used this vanilla powder in ice cream as a flavoring agent. But this vanilla powder, it contains the pure quantity of the vanillin. Okay, this vanillin is extracted from the vanilla tree beads, and this vanillin is one of the major aldehyde here. For it is an example of the aldehydes which are present in the plants. And similarly, another one you can be already known, that is the almonds. Okay, in this almonds, the pure content of the benzaldehyde is present here. Okay, this benzaldehyde means it is another one type of the aldehyde. Like this, there are several examples you can be used. Those are getting the flavoring nature as well as the smelling property. And similarly, another one example you can be getting, that is the cinnamon. Okay, cinnamon means one of the spicy content. This cinnamon is contains the cinnamaldehyde. Like this, these are the some important aldehydes or ketones present in our daily food as a flavoring agent and smelling nature. Therefore, it is quite important to be study the aldehydes and ketones. Okay, let us continue with the nomenclature of these aldehydes and ketones. Okay, starts identifying the one by one compound. This is CH3CHO. Okay, total 2 carbon atoms are present here. Therefore, it is marked as 1 and it is marked as 2. Therefore, this compound is known as the eth1al. Therefore, it is also pronounced as ethanol. And similarly, another one compound you can be identified, CH3, CH2 and CHO. In this time, right side marking started. It is 1, it is 2, it is 3. Therefore, highest number in the parent chain is 3. 3 means the root word is prop. Therefore, the name comes here prop 1 AL. And like this you can be getting the several examples here. Therefore write down the next structure, that is the benzene ring, and it is having the COCH3 nature. Okay, it is part of the ketone, and this name is known as the acetophenone. Okay, it is acetyl group here, therefore, and benzene ring means phenone, therefore it is acetophenone compound. And similarly we can be continue with the next compound, that is the benzene ring in both the side of the ketone. Then this compound name is becomes the benzophenone. Okay, this compound name is the benzophenone, and these two are most important for the exam point of view. Okay, we are going to be remember the acetophenone structure as well as the benzophenone structure, and both are the part of the ketones. Okay, ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ketones part, and it is unsymmetrical ketone and it is the symmetrical ketone because to the C double bond O both the side it is a different group, one side CH3, one side benzene ring, therefore it is acetophenone and it is the benzophenone. Like this, these are the few important aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, and continue with these some more examples now. Okay, it is CH3 and COOH. Okay, it is marked as 1 and it is marked as 2, and total 2 carbon atoms, therefore the name comes here eth, and the position number 1 is oic acid, therefore the name comes here, it is ethanoic acid, or another one common name is for this, that is the acid, that is the acetic acid. Okay, like this, these are the important compounds.